Hi, Robin here from Mendi. Today I'm going to show you how Mendi works. It's really simple. First, you put on the device, then you press the power button. In the app, you press Get Started, and then Start Sensor. Now I choose how many minutes I want to do my session. I'm going to do a 2-minute session now. Now I just relax, don't think about anything, and focus. There you have it. That's how Mendi works. And after your session, you can see your score, and the score is saved in the app, so you can follow your progress.